Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can validate Hytale's games files, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to validate or verify Hytale's games files on your computer easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to turn on the Hytale launcher, and once you're in the Hytale launcher, you're going to sign in with your account. Once you're done with the signing in process, and now there will be a settings button at the top left corner of the launcher. Once you click on it, you'll have a button saying uninstall. You're going to click onto that uninstall button, and once you click onto that uninstall button, you'll have a validate or verify button there. You're going to click onto that button, and once you click onto that button, it will validate or verify Hytale's games files, and it will download any of the files that are missing, or it will also fix your files that are corrupted. And once it's done with the validation process, now you're going to restart the Hytale launcher, and once you do that, now when you try to play Hytale, you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not be facing any errors because your files are just verified. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.